Hello everyone, this is Parveen Sandhu, Assistant Professor at RPIIT College, Bastada, Karnal. Today I am here to discuss a topic, packaging in pharmaceuticals. What are the package materials are used in packaging of pharmaceuticals? We can discuss here. Packaging. Packaging is the process by which the pharmaceuticals and suitable packed so that they should retain their therapeutic effectiveness from time of their packaging till they are consumed. Packaging may be defined as the art of and the science which involves preparing the articles for transport, storage, display and use. Different shape and size of containers made from different materials are used for packing different type of formulations. A package may consist of container, closures, cartons, boxes. First one is containers. Container. A container may be defined as a device in which the drug is enclosed and is in direct contact with the drug. A container which remains in contact with the drug at all time is known as immediate containers. The containers can be seen in the pic. Closures. A closure is a device which seals the container to exclude oxygen, carbon dioxide, moistures, microorganisms and prevent the loss of volatile substance. It also prevents the loss of a medicament during transport and handling. A closure is considered as a part of container system. It does not come in direct contact with the medicament. Carton. Carton is the outer covering which gives secondary protection against mechanical and other environmental hazards. They are made from cardboards, molded woods, pulps or expanded polystyrene. Boxes. A box is a device which is generally used for packing multiple of the products. It gives primary protection against external hazards during transport and handling. A box is usually made from thick cardboard, wood or any other suitable material. Characteristics of ideal packaging. What are the characteristics of an ideal packaging are? The containers must be sufficiently strong to withstand handling while empty, while filling, closing, sterilizing, labeling, transport, storage and use by the consumer. They should not allow any loss of product due to leakage, spillage or permeation. The material of the container from which they are prepared must not react with the contents. They must be able to withstand heat if process includes sterilization by heat. The surface of container must be clear from easy labeling. The containers must not absorb substance from the preparation, example absorption of water and oily substance from the ointment and cream by the cardboard boxes. The container must not contain its own color, taste and odor to the preparation. The containers and closure must not react either with each other. The container should be able to protect light sensitive preparations for which amber colored glasses container may be used. The size of container must be selected according to the size of the preparation. The closure must be easy to use and replace. The cost of container and closure is an integral part of overall cost of the preparation, so it should not be high. A container should facilitate the identification of a product, example whether meant for internal and external use. Apart from all these characteristics, a container and a closure should be attractive in appearance and must have sale, promotional and marketing value. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe our RPIIT channel. Thank you.